I create reflections on the water. Note that the water is not a glass-like reflective in a lake, so it's somewhat choppy. This is a stretch of sea lane flanked by mountains, so it's not quite a turbulent open sea. What you see are alternating bands of light and dark columns, so to speak, where each column is a stack of dark or light water. The clouds in the sky are not just located around the mountains. The higher we get, the smaller the clouds become. To the right, there are fewer clouds because of the sun's heat. I change the color on the horizon from orange to rose or pink. Making this color correction is tricky because it's behind odd-shaped clouds. I also make the color gradually lighter with higher elevation. I highlight the coastline, where the sea splashes against the coast with a thin band of white. It's a long coastline. I make the water lighter, closer to the coast, and darker away from the coast, to give the illusion of distance. The sea is a big portion of the canvas, so lots of areas to cover. I refine the sky so that the clouds appear to disperse gradually at higher altitudes. There are more small clouds scattered than I originally thought. By the way, when I look down, I'm checking my accuracy with the reference photo. I make the sea at the bottom of the canvas darker, with broader waves, because it's closest to the viewer. Finally, I sign the painting at the bottom right. See the finished work on linesandstrokes.com or Fine Arts America. Please stay tuned by liking my page. Thanks for watching.